Subscribe to Gizmo Times and get notified about our latest videos by hitting the bell icon.
Hey guys, this is Chetan for Gizmo Times, and you're watching a quick overview of something that's unique and different from the regular products that we usually unbox and review. This is the AirTamer A310, and this is something called as a personal rechargeable air purifier. So it's unlike those traditional air purifiers, the large ones that you keep on your tables. This is not that, and even the box package that you're seeing, the air purifier is not even this large. When I remove the box package, you'll see how small it is and how easy to carry it is. But then how would it work and how it would make the air fresher and cleaner around you? That's what we are going to talk about in this particular video, because usually we don't do much of these videos where there's not a lot of tech, but these kind of things are good for tech companies that always have people around, and you rely on technology based products such as air purifiers. So this is the travel ionic air purifier. So ionic is that word where we would put some stress on. So the AirTamer A310 is priced at 10,000 rupees, and whether it's worth the price or not, that should be totally dependent on your choice. I won't be really giving you a final verdict here because we haven't used it a lot. It's just used for a few days, and personally I felt that yeah, it did try to make things better, because I'm someone who has migraine attacks when there's a lot of dust around also. So this kind of thing did help me, but I won't vouch for it directly because it's just a quick overview that I'm going to give you here. So this is the box package. Now you know the size is smaller than this one. And now giving you a quick overview here. This is the AirTamer personal air purifier, where you can breathe cleaner, healthier air everywhere you go, and it protects against harmful airborne pollutants. There are no filters to buy or clean, and there's 150 plus hours of runtime on one charge. So it's a rechargeable one, and it has a included a USB cord in the box, so you can use that. It's micro USB anyway, so even if that cord waits out someday, you can replace with a new micro USB cord. So these are the pollutants that it will keep away from you: viruses, pollen grains, the smoke around you, molds, and dust mites. And how that happens is that this air purifier actually keeps sending out healthy negative ions, and these negative ions are something that would that would make a personal space around you. It's about 3 feet of a sphere that is created around this air purifier, and in that 3 feet of area, usually the negative ions would keep everything around away from you. So that is a personal space made by it, and that would help keep everything away from you, and help in taking in fresher and better air. So AirTamer is certified to clean 875% better than our closest competitor. So there are no names for that competitor, but yeah, it's said to be about 9 times better, which is quite a heavy claim, and that is why it might be that price of 10,000 rupees. But again, a personal choice on whether you should buy it or not. It can be used in airplanes, trains, buses, public places such as movie theaters, and bus stops, railway stations, and these are the places where it's very crowded. And in those areas, it's where usually all the infections spread around, and that is where this could keep those of air pollutants away. And this is the FilterStream box, and now you'll see how small it is. So firstly, before that, these are a couple of booklets. First one is this instruction manual to let you know how you can start using it. Though it was not hard, it's just very simple to actually not install, to actually use it. And this is the warranty booklet. Now apart from that, this is the air purifier that we have in it, and it comes with a cord, which means you can use it with you don't have to keep it in your hand or somewhere around it. You can just wear it around your neck. It always keeps itself around your chest. And this is that AirTamer A310 air purifier, and it's designed and engineered by FilterStream company by USA. This is the indicator light, and this is the micro USB port towards the bottom, and there's one single switch to turn it on. Now once I press this, first it would show a single light, and then it would start blinking. That blinking is what indicates that the negative ions are now being sent around, and it has it's just that it has that output of negative ions and nothing else. It doesn't need any filters, it doesn't need anything else to maintain itself. So there's zero maintenance basically. It's just that you have to keep charging it. So if you have this around you for 24 hours turned on, it could give you a battery life about 1 week. That's 144 to 150 hours. And if you don't use it for the entire day, half a day is what you use it, so 2 weeks of battery life is what it gives. But it's anyway easy to understand because once this light turns off, the battery is zero. There's no other indicator to let you know that the battery is low or not, but this indicator tells you that the negative ions are being sent around, and that is what would make the air fresher and breathable around you. So that's it. Nothing else much to talk about it. It was sent to us to do a quick overview and check it out and test it out, so to see if it actually works or not. But frankly, I'm not an expert in understanding the pollens or the pollutants around, so I won't be a great judge of this. And this was just an overview of the AirTamer A310 personal air purifier, which is rechargeable and also easy to carry around. So that's it. I hope you like this video. If you do, do share and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.